So you're in the market for new cooking appliances. We're going to show you the difference between freestanding ranges versus built-in cooktops and wall ovens. We're also going to show you the difference between various fuel types, gas versus electric versus dual fuel versus induction, and show you the difference between cooktops and range tops. Here we have two different types of freestanding ranges, one with a back guard and one without. The unit with the back guard, this is the most common type of range that's out there. It is cost effective, and usually people that already have this tend to get this type. There is one drawback. You do have to reach over our hot surface to get to the oven controls. With a slide-in or freestanding without the back guard, all the controls are in the front, including your oven controls. The great part about this, you're not reaching over to access oven controls as they're in the front, but also now we can possibly show off a beautiful backsplash, and it gives us a lot more flexibility in design. Both of these ranges come in electric coil, electric radiant smooth top, electric induction, as well as the gas. If you're looking for electric coil top, this is going to be the least expensive of all of our ranges. You typically can get that in a more basic look with either a glass door or solid door, with or without self-cleaning, and the big benefit is the cost. Major drawback, coils are really hard to clean. The next type of range that we can get is an electric radiant top. The great part about that is all of the spills are contained on our top. One drawback to the radiant is that the whole element gets hot, which means that food can burn to the surface. However, it is still fairly easy to clean. The next type of electric range we can get is an induction range. The great part of an induction range is how quickly the burners heat up and how you don't have a lot of residual heat left over after you're done cooking. It is very easily cleaned. However, the one big drawback is the cost, as it costs significantly more than a radiant or coil burner range. The last type of range is our gas range. Gas ranges are great because you have instant heat as well as major controllability. One drawback to the gas is that you do have extra parts that you have to clean, which would be surface caps, the surface underneath your grates, and your grates. This is a dual fuel range. It'll have gas on top and the separate electric fuel in the oven. Now that we've looked at ranges, let's take a look at built-in products. If you need a built-in product, you're going to need a separate oven and a cooktop or range top. These are single ovens. With a single oven, they can be either mounted in a wall or mounted under a cabinet below a cooktop. We also have double ovens. Double ovens give you the ability to use two ovens simultaneously, one on top of the other. The difference in cooktops are a standard cooktop drops into a counter. A range top will protrude over the front of your cabinetry. They come in different fuel types: gas, induction, traditional radiant, and there are still some coil burner cooktops available. The final cooking product we want to show you are microwaves. They come in different styles. The first style would be a microwave drawer. They typically are mounted below counters and they're easy to access. The next style is an over-the-range microwave, the most common type of microwave. It gets mounted over the range, eliminates a hood, and it's easily accessed. The last microwave is a countertop microwave. It can either set on a counter, set on a shelf in an upper cabinet, or be built into cabinetry. A couple extra features you may want to consider when looking at your next cooking appliance: air fry, convection, and of course you need to make sure you know what fuel type you have to make the best possible buying decision. Thank you for watching.